Welcome back to the Jolie of Cooking. Today we're gonna make a milk-free, dairy-free, egg-free, large cupcake.
Careful.
Let's get started. First we're gonna put in cake mix. All of it?
Oh.
Now we're gonna make egg replacer. Warm water and egg replacer powder. This is the egg replacer powder that we're using. And we're gonna mix these two things together. Now we're gonna pour all these ingredients in. Warm water, egg replacer, oil. I'm gonna get all the way to the bottom. Gotta make sure it's all smooth and mixed. A large cupcake mold, cupcake batter, and we have to pour the amount of cupcake batter in both of these holes. First, we have to grease it with oil. We're gonna put it in the oven. We already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. We baked it for 18 to 22 minutes. This is the bottom part of the big cupcake. Now it is time to frost it. I'm gonna frost it first. Need to grab this. Watch me do this. I'm a lucky girl.
Are you lucky?
I can lick it off, right? That fondant. I wonder what this tastes like. It's the top of the cupcake. And we put it on top of it. Now we're gonna frost the top. I'm gonna grab some of that. And they push this around. Well, it is kind of a mess. It's okay, we'll clean it up. Not bad, huh? Thanks for watching. And remember, anything I can do, you can do better. This guy looks good. What? When can we take a bite? Chicka boom, chicka cha chicka, chicka boom, chicka cha chicka.
How's the cake?